Major bull flag for Robinhood. Let me tell you why. We've been selling off for about 5 days in a row now, and today wasn't really a big sell off. We recovered that drop from last night, but here's the major reason why I think tomorrow we're going to be going up, and from there it's going to determine if we're going to go even higher. But so we had 5 days in a row that have been red now. We're overdue for at least one green day. As we can see, we broke through the EMA line on the 30-minute time frame, and we didn't sell off. And this is the big reason why I think we're going to pump. We closed close to the daily resistance. We didn't sell off. That means people are planning to hold this overnight, even though we're close to our resistance. What does that tell you? That tells you people are getting confident enough to hold this to go even higher. This is our support down here. Tomorrow we got the Jolt Job Opening Report and the ISM Report. That comes out at 10 a.m., I believe. Yeah, 10 o'clock in the morning. So be careful. That could actually make it go down for a bit, but I think we're going to be getting bought up pretty quick when that happens. If we take a look on the 4-hour time frame, this is another reason why this is a major bull flag forming. We went up to the moving average. We sold off. We broke through the EMA. Remember that that first one's always a fake out. We're coming back up. This is the low on the 4-hour, 33.47. We did not go that low, and we already started climbing back up. So not 100% yet. We could go up tomorrow, all the way up to about $43 a share. That's my prediction. The EMA is going to act as resistance, but if we do break it, this will mean we're potentially going to be going up all the way to retest the moving average. And I don't think that's going to happen in one day. That might take a few days. But if we break through this tomorrow, and whenever we sold off, we didn't go all the way to the low 33, we actually turned around and rebroke it. That means people are gaining confidence to potentially retest this resistance and go even higher to $50 a share. The fact that we have this right here, I think we're going to go up to $43 tomorrow to retest this resistance. And from here, we'll determine if we go higher or if we're going to get rejected and go even lower. But as of right now, tomorrow, that's a pretty good trade. I already bought some shares at $41. I'm planning to sell it right around that point, $43 a share. So if we take a look at the 1-day chart, the 1-day, pretty much we came down to the moving average, broke through, sold off, and now on a bigger scale, we're going to be determining if we're going to go back up and retest all this. On the 5-minute scale, we did re-break through, and we didn't sell off, and we had that blue EMA cross go over the moving average. 30-minute we already looked at, but we have a lot of gapping up to do all the way up to the moving average here, which this says $44 a share. 43 is very probable for that to happen. 1 hour is going to be our main resistance, but I don't think people are going to look at these too much since the EMA and the moving average are kind of close. If we decide to pump through, it'll, act as a double whammy, almost like we've broken through both of them at the same time. So that's not even going to act as a resistance pretty much. So the barriers are coming down. We are starting to, form a nice little support here. Look at that. We came up to this resistance and stayed there. Didn't even sell off. So tomorrow, when that job openings report comes out, if we sell off and we don't re-break through this and we start turning around really fast and come back up to this point, and we start breaking through this, then that's it. We're going all the way up to $43 a share. That's what I'm going to be looking out for. Just be careful tomorrow because we are still in the sell-off period, but we already had 5 days of sell-off. One green day to $43 a share, that's not even going to be a big recovery, but that is going to be a pretty good day trade for us for the day. Long-term holders, I still believe this is bullish, even though on the long term, it's bullish for sure, but we are forming that turnaround, so be patient. And day traders, just be careful with that job openings report. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments because I reply to every single person. If any of you need help one on one, I will be more than willing to assist and explain things. And anything you guys need, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See you guys tomorrow.